Before the missionaries came, the Acholi people had their own belief system and worshipped JOK, their supreme god. JOK was seen as the creator and ruler of everything, the earth, nature, and all life. The Acholi believed JOK controlled their destiny and the world around them. To connect with JOK, the Acholi relied on spiritual leaders called Ajwaga, who acted as a messenger between the people and God. These leaders performed important rituals, offered sacrifices, and sought guidance during difficult times such as illness, drought, or conflict. The Acholi's spirituality was widely tied to their daily lives, promoting respect to nature, ancestors, and community harmony. Even though Christianity later influenced their beliefs, the foundation of their traditional faith still shines through some cultural practices today.